your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high to bring me down, can't none.
We're going to bend it down to this point here. Okay?
Where do you want to bend? So you didn't bend all the way down to the.
You want to have a 45.
Not much.
Then you overdo it, it will not go back. You have to do it one time, several times, so you want it parallel.
Let's try that. It's looking pretty good.
That's it, that's good. Now,
Put a little mark here so we know that we want this to go down in this direction. Okay, this brings down. So from here, that's gonna go down. Go again. And that.
you want a full 90 degree for this one. And it needs to come all the way to the bottom of the metal. Beautiful. We don't get quite, that's good. You don't go quite 90. You want the puck to lift up a little bit.
So initially we went a little too far. So to correct that, it's really hard to do it in the pipe bender. You just put it on the floor and hold it down here, and then you bend it back.
That's we need that.
You need the grunt sound.
Well, you know. How to
These pieces here are just pipe insulation. This is some old stuff we had. We're going to replace this with some newer stuff that's got more cushion to it. But that's the basic idea. It's just half-inch pipe insulation. It's got a slit in it. It'll slide on there, and then that can be taped on. And that's going to protect your shoulders. So now you got foam here, you got foam here. It's going to be nice and comfy. And then we put a belt around the bottom to hold it onto your hips, which is really nice. And where we do have bolts going through here, those of course would end up rubbing on your back. So then after you get all your nuts and bolts on there, then you come back, and right now we've got it taped, but this foam here will protect your back from these bolt heads, and that can be glued on. Right now we've just got it taped, and that'll be comfortable on your back. Here are our fabulous puppet creators. So we've got
I can sit on a stool.
insulation here. We've got our backpack assembly there with the belt on here. And if you remember, hang on, Tank. If you remember, we had two holes in this pipe right here and here. So if you wanted to mount this permanently, which is a good thing to do, you'd poke a hole in the belt and put a bolt through there with a large washer, about a 1-inch washer, to hold that on there.
This string is going to hold it for now onto the pipe, so it doesn't slide off.
The pipe that's inside the puppet slides over it. Bada bing. And this is a temporary clamp that keeps it from sliding off. And that will be mounted more permanently later.
Yeah, got it?
So now, you see that what we got is the backpack. Stand sideways, Tink. So see how the pipe bends backwards? This is pretty important because you want the weight of this over the center of your body, and if the pipe didn't bend back, it would be leaning forward and you'd be off balance. This way the weight is really centered.
There'll be two bungees that come down from the top of the side of the head, and that's where you can control the head.
And so the concept is that the hands will have cat paws on them. And as you move your cat paws with the string tied up to the head itself, then the head will be able to swing from side to side in unison with what your hands are doing. But even without that, you can see it's pretty cool. It's got a lot of motion left and right, which gives it a lot of character. So as you just, if you simply lean to the right, lean to the left, and you can see you got all that motion of that head, giving it a lot of life.
This is the design